everybody, this is the 10th video to share pictures from our trip to Japan. At this point, I won't even mention how many we took. Anyways, enjoy! In addition to eating the breakfast offered by the hotel, we ate some fruit we purchased the day before. Gotta say, Vietnamese bananas are very tasty. We wanted to rent bikes again. This time we attempted to rent some off the street but couldn't get the app to work. So we walked a mile to a local business and rented some there. The bikes weren't as nice as the ones in Tokyo, but they did the job and we got a coupon towards a future rental. They also provided a map and gave us directions on how to get where we wanted to go.
Stop it maybe.
We rode towards Arashiyama to visit the bamboo forest. On the way, we spotted a cafe and decided to stop for lunch. The lady who ran the shop with her elderly mother was super nice. In order to pay for her middle school daughter to go to cram school, she also gives tours at the nearby Imperial Villa and teaches English. We gave her some souvenirs for her and her daughter and enjoyed some really good sandwiches and tea while chatting. We got back on the bikes and finished the trek to Arashiyama. There were several times we had to cross bridges over the water, but the water was so low we missed the legendary views. Over by the bamboo forest, they were even doing some maintenance on the water, driving sand from one part to another. It was pretty cool, but did play into our decision not to do the Hosogawa boat ride, despite it heading in the other direction. There was a parking lot outside the shopping area, both for cars and bikes, and was reasonably priced. We walked through the shopping area to the Arashiyama bamboo forest. The one we went into was the free one. I've heard of some people accidentally going to the one you have to pay to get into. Anyways, inside the forest there was a dojo, a temple, and a cemetery. The lady at the cafe had said that she wouldn't stay in the bamboo forest after dark because of the spirits, so now we knew why there were spirits. After making it in pretty far, we realized we had to get back to return the bikes, so we started back. On the way, we managed to pass through some small plots of farmland along the river, which was not something we expected. It was pretty cool, nestled right there in the city. Once we turned in the bikes, we went back to the izakaya we'd pinned the previous day. The signage outside had pretty reasonable prices, but once we got inside, we realized the servings were pretty small. So it ended up being a bit of a spendy meal, albeit still less than half the price it would have been at home. We had sushi and karaage, plus some really yummy sake and beer. We swung past the Kyoto Tower again on the way back to the hotel and finished the night with another communal bath. Well, that's it for this video. If there's anything you want to know more about, put it in the comments below. I'll post the next video tomorrow, so make sure to like and subscribe for more.